morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching us from. We have a very interesting and a crazy question here today. The question implies that the square root of 16 over 25, now in parentheses, raised to the power what 4x minus 9, and in brace of raised to the power 3 equals to 64 over 125. And what are we asked to solve for? We're asked to solve for the value of x. So what is the value of x in this question? So before we solve this question, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Math Therapist, and also share this video on our social media bundle on Facebook, The Math Therapist. So let's solve this question. Yeah, we'll start by saying solution. We have your solution. So we have let's solve this. From here we have the square root of 16 is 4 over square root of 25 is what? 5. Now it's in a brace of what? 4 raised to the power x minus what? 9. Now all raised to the power what? 3 equals to what? 64 over what? 125. Now what do we do now to solve? The next step we are going to apply is to take the cube root of both sides. So I'm going to take the cube root of both sides. I take the cube root of this side as well. So if I take the cube root, this here will cancel this cube root, and what is left here is what? 4 over what? 5, all raised to the power what? 4x minus 9 equals to the cube root of 64 is just like saying 4 times 4 times 4. You know, 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, and 125 is 5 times 5 times what? 5. Yeah. So the cube root of 64 is what? 4 over cube root of 105 is what? 5. Now, what do we do now? What do we do? So what we are going to do here is that we can simply express this and say raised to the power 1 is still the same thing. Yeah. So according to indices, when we have the same base, we can equate the powers. So now let's equate the powers. We have 4x minus 9 equals to what? Equals to 1. So from here we have 4x minus 9 equals to 1. By collecting of like terms, we have 4x equals to what? 1. When this minus 9 crosses to my right hand side, it's going to turn to plus 9. And we have 4x equals to 1 plus 9 is what? 10. So to find the value of x, I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, this is going to be divide both sides by 4. 4 will cancel 4, and x equals to 10 over 4. We can still say that the least term number that can divide the both of them is 2. So 2 goes here, 2 goes into 10, 5. So x is what? 5 over what? 2. And this is the correct answer to this question. Please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye-bye.